In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn off Amazon email notifications. If you're finding your inbox flooded with emails from Amazon and you'd like to take back control, you're in the right place. By following these simple steps, you can reduce the number of emails you receive without missing any critical updates regarding your orders. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Amazon website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, hover over the Account and Lists menu located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account. This will take you to a page filled with various options related to your Amazon account settings. Now, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Communication and Content. This is where you'll find all the settings related to how Amazon communicates with you. Under this section, look for the link that says Communication Preferences and give it a click. This will open up a new page dedicated to all your communication settings. Once you're on the Communication Preferences page, you'll want to focus on the Seller Communications part. This is crucial because it's the setting that controls how sellers can reach out to you via email. Now, look for the option to edit this section. Clicking Edit will allow you to customize your preferences. Here's the key step. You'll see a checkbox or a toggle switch next to the option for email. Uncheck this box or toggle it off. This simple action will stop those Amazon emails from cluttering your personal inbox. It's important to note that while turning off these email notifications will reduce the influx of messages, sellers can still contact you through Amazon's system if there's an issue with your order. This means you won't miss out on important communications regarding any problems with your purchases. Finally, don't forget to click Update to save your changes. This step ensures that your preferences are recorded and you'll start seeing a significant reduction in the number of emails from Amazon. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you can enjoy a tidier inbox while still staying informed about your Amazon orders when necessary. If you ever decide you want to receive these emails again, you can always revisit the same settings to adjust your preferences. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your email notifications from Amazon. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online experience.